going to start off with the Heat Tamper Protective Spray from TRESemmé. When I curl my hair, I use a straightener. I just find it easier to do it rather than a curler. I feel like it just takes less time using this. Before I had this one, I had one that was like about 5 years old, and that one broke because what I did was I finished using it and then I was about to unplug it, but what I did was I grabbed it from here and I just yanked it out like that. Obviously it didn't work, but what I did was I grabbed it from the socket, and instead of getting it out, I got like a really big electric shock. Like it went through, I like felt it through my arms, and yeah, I didn't touch a hair straightener for like a year. What I normally do is I tie it up. So I do the bottom half first. I have 2 parties right here. So this is how much I normally grab, and what I do is I grab it from the root and I twirl it outwards like this. I make the other strand like here, so it's like going around one of the wand or 2 wands, I don't know, I can't see. But anyways, this is what I'll be doing, going slowly. A little bit of steam coming up is okay. And then when I do this, I just twirl it like this so the curl stays in place. And then sometimes when the hair is like this, I just grab it and I twirl it in. And I do that basically everywhere else. So I find like these ones are always like so hard to do because I don't know if I like, it's not like every single time I get it like the way I want. I have to try it a lot of times. So I normally just, I don't hold it down really like tightly, I do it really lightly. So what I do is just like go like that, like that, like that, like that, going out slowly. I just have like a little go like that. Okay, that's good. And then like the baby hairs I have, I just grab it and I just... this isn't working. Oh, that's a lot. There you go. That looks a little bit better. Okay, I've done the curling, but now it looks like really, like it looks too uniformed. So what I do is I just separate it one by one. What you don't want to do is brush it, because if you brush it, it'll just be really, really puffy and really like big. Like, can you tell the difference between this one and this one? I feel like I like this one more though. And then what I do is I just grab some hairspray and then I just like whenever I like heat, I use like heat stuff on my hair, it just becomes so frizzy. So what I do is I just use this like Anti-Frizz serum oil. Oops. Let it go down. So I guess this is it. This is how I curl my hair. Yeah. Thank you for watching.